Hey team, happy Tuesday or whatever day you're watching this. It's Miss D. Just wanted to show you guys how to access one of your best tools. Some of you guys may or may not have used this last year or been aware of it, so maybe it's something new for you, maybe not. But it's called Snap and Read, and it's already ready to go on your Chrome toolbar on your Chromebooks. The whole district has it, and so getting ready, thinking about taking the quiz that we're doing maybe today, or maybe you're taking a quiz some other time, or maybe you're working on an assignment that's got a lot of text and you just want some backup. We call it text-to-speech. It's just literally having whatever is on the screen read to you to give you some backup and make sure that everything you need to know is getting into that brain. And hearing it sometimes on top of reading it just really helps. I know it helps me. I have ADHD. This really helps a lot. So here's my trick. Okay, so let's say again I'm getting ready to take a quiz here, so I'm on my start page, right? So I'm like, okay, I'm getting ready to go ahead and jump in there, and oh boy, wow, lots of text. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna get my tool turned on. So up in your top right corner, I know I got a bunch of stuff up here. Again, I have ADHD, you can see my brain, right? You're going to click on this Snap and Read, right? So see how I'm kind of hovering over there and it says Snap and Read? It looks kind of like a circle with a dot in it, kind of like crosshairs or a target. You're going to click on that, and then this little box is going to pop up. And again, if you haven't used this before, it's probably off, right? You haven't turned it on yet. But if you have, then this might be turned on. This might be a tool that you're already familiar with. If you're not, you're going to go ahead and turn it on, and then it turns blue, okay? And you're going to click off that so it kind of gets out of the way. And then you'll notice some new tools popped up over here, right? This is going to be kind of what you use. And then you'll also notice that the Snap and Read icon is blue. So that just means that it's working. So that way you know for sure that, you turned it on and it's ready to go. So over here on the top right, a couple of different ways to use it, okay? You can use this, which is literally why it's called Snap and Read. You can kind of see it turns into a target on your page. But let's just say you want to work on question 1 first and get it done. So let's just drag and pull that over here. We're going to kind of snap it like that. And then now it knows exactly what you want to be read to, right? Or what you want to have that backup on. You got to give it. There we go.
Elsie, which of the following is true about second-person point of view? 5 points. Q. It uses the word I.
So I can stop it, and it will, sorry, I had an email pop up there. I can stop it, and it'll stop right where it was, just with a touch of my mouse pad, right? And then if I
one character tells
start back up again,
Q. It uses the word you and makes the reader feel.
It'll start reading again, okay? So that's one way to do it, right? That's that Snap and Read. So let's go ahead and X off of that, just so you kind of can see how that works. And then this other one over here is just a speak, and you can kind of just go to right where you want it to be. And so let's say I want to do the whole quiz. I'm just going to have it start right here and just keep going.
Elsie, which of the following is true about second-person point of view? 5 points. It uses the word I, and one character tells the story. It uses the word you.
Again, I can just hit my mouse once and it pauses it. And then if I hit my button again, it'll pick up right where it was at. Now, I'm assuming that you guys are hearing the voice reading that. I'm going to have to listen to this before I post it, but just to make sure. But it highlights the word as it says it for you, and makes it super helpful. Again, it's just another tool to use when you need some backup. Okay, if you have any questions or anything, just holler at one of us, okay? Thanks so much.